Step into CGC Landran, an epicenter of fresh ideas where innovation shines and success is not pursued but personified. 25 plus years of excellence now powering innovation. CGC Landran presents the AICTE-IDEA Lab, a vibrant hub where innovation and learning converge. Recognized as the region's elite, the institute secured a prestigious 1 crore grant, reinforcing its commitment to advanced infrastructure and transformative education. The AICTE-IDEA Lab is more than just a workspace. It is an ecosystem where you design, develop, and build innovative solutions. The IDEA Lab cultivates ingenuity and tactile learning, empowering students to manifest real-world solutions while fostering collaboration and refining analytical acumen. Here, learning goes beyond textbooks. It's all about learning by doing. Whether it is rapid prototyping, product visualization, or interdisciplinary collaboration, IDEA Lab empowers you to apply STEM concepts to real-world scenarios. The IDEA Lab derives experiential learning through training sessions, innovation labs, corporate partnerships, and tech engagements, while advancing community outreach and startup initiatives. The laser cutter enables high-precision cutting and is an essential tool for rapid prototyping and product development. The PCB milling machine enables in-house fabrication of electronic circuits from digital designs. The PCB prototyping machine accelerates the development of electronic systems. The CNC router is capable of producing complex geometries with consistency and accuracy. The benchtop wood lathe is used to shape wooden components with precision. The mini lathe cum milling machine is a versatile multi-purpose machining system. The 3D printer transforms digital designs into physical objects through additive manufacturing. The 3D scanner captures real-world objects and converts them into accurate digital models. From academic projects to real-world problem solving, from internship to entrepreneurship, the IDEA Lab opens doors to endless possibilities for all nearby educational and research institutes. Here, learning is transformed into innovation, study is elevated to meaningful creation, and dreams are turned into tangible reality through building. AICTE-IDEA Lab at CGC Landran, where ideas are cultivated into impactful innovations and the future is thoughtfully designed and shaped.